Okay, this is my bike deck. Right, first off, start with the handlebars. I've got plain black grips. I've got some Promax red and black brakes. Normal black brake lever. Pretty cool. Right. Onto the bars. I've got purple blank bars. Pretty nice to ride. GT stem. It's alright. Right. Now onto the forks. I've got GT forks. Don't know what make they are. Got some hood pegs. I've got some Pro rims. Pretty nice. Right. Now onto my tyres. I've got some Maxxis ring-worn tyres. They're pretty nice, good and pretty thick. Right, now onto the seat. Blank purple seat. It's quite comfy. GT frame. I got a seat clamp with an N on it. I don't know what make it is. It's pretty nice and stiff. I've got GT orange. Well, they're meant to be orange colours, but I sprayed them black. The most biggest sprocket ever. 32 for something. I don't know. A nice chain, all black. An orange rear hub. Maxxis ring-worn tyres with Pro Style rims. Nothing much really. This is my bike deck. Thanks for watching.